Regenerative medicine is a medical revolution that enables self-healing and restore life functions. For many, it brings new hope. It allows us to keep caring for our loved ones, both family and companions. Our supercritical CO2 decellularization technology fully preserves the collagen's triple helix and scaffold structure, allowing cells to grow naturally under optimal conditions. ACRO's products cover ophthalmology, orthopedics, dentistry, neural surgery, aesthetic medicine and wound care, etc., bringing tissue engineering and regenerative medicine into clinical use and everyday life. We also focus on tissue engineering and cell therapy, bringing medical advances closer to everyone who needs them. We believe truly reliable medical materials should be derived from nature, preserve their native form, and support patients through every stage of healing. We turn nature's blessings into the power to heal. We continue to make the impossible possible.